There it is! Well, wow, a 3-in-1 activities. Oh, wow, look at that. One special pen, 16 pages, and sticker puzzles, huh? Wow, look at this. This is my personal favorite. Besides Valiant using, and that's Rapunzel, and that's Cassandra, and that's Cassandra. Cassandra, what? What? Cassandra? Cassandra? Cassandra! What a happy ending! What a happy ending! What a happy ending! Being kissed by a puppy who's technically named after that fat Cassandra! Wow, see, I did it so well this time.